welcome back once again. My name is Victor Dugumo here, and in this class we are looking at a continuation of the classes we are doing in the solution of 2025 WAEC Mathematics exams. We have solved all the questions in the theory part of section A. We are in section B, and then the question we are solving now is 10B, question 10B. Like I said, this question is coming from second theorem. So the question, the diagram is there. I'm going to put it up for us to look at. You say in the diagram, A, B, C, D are points on a circle. AB is parallel to DC, and AC and BD intersect at X. And the angle at BDC is 40 degrees. Say find the angle ACD. Find the angle ACD. Let me just have a sketch. Just a sketch that will help us to capture this. Just a sketch. A sketch. Okay. Just this is a sketch. So they said that this line is parallel to this line. That's all they said. Here is X. This is B. This is A. This is D. And this is C. And the angle here is 40 degrees. So, and they asked us, let me go straight to the question. The I says, calculate angle ACD. That is this angle here. Question. Okay, calculate that angle there. Look at the way we go about this. Do you realize that this angle BDC is equals to BAC? Look at them. BDC, this angle is equal to BAC, this angle. So here is also 40 degrees. By what theorem? Angles in the same segments are equal. By that's what helps us to know that here is also this and this. Following that this chord BC, some send this angle and some send this angle. Here and here are the same. Okay, do you also realize that since DC is parallel to AB, okay, since by their description that AB, this line is parallel to this line, the implication is that this angle here is alternate to this angle. So this is a transversal cutting across, you know. Hence ACD, that is question ACD, hence ACD is equals to 40 degrees. Back it up. Alternate angles are equal. So if here is also 40 degrees, okay, then we are looking for this angle S. Even though that's not the question says find AXD. That's this angle here. This is the one. But you know that this and this are vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angle, but we need to know what X is. By the pattern, the way we want to solve this question, we need to know what this X is. Look at how I will get X. This angle X is 40 degrees plus 40 degrees. You'll be asking me how. let me show you where this 40 is coming from. This 40 is ACD plus BDC. These two angles, ACD, that this and this makes up X. And I am backing it up by saying external or exterior angle of a triangle. This is a triangle, and this is exterior to these two angles. Exterior angle of a triangle equals sum of two opposite interior angles. This theorem you see now, I proved it in one of the classes on circle theory and on theorem of triangles. Theorem of triangles, yes. So if you visit that class on theorem of triangles in my channel, you see where I did this proof and explanation. So this angle X is 80 degrees. Therefore, you can now conclude that A, that is the II, that AXD is 80 degrees. Why? Vertically opposite angles are equal. This is vertically opposite to this, and this is vertically opposite to this. These are equal, these are equal. Okay, we have been able to look at question 10b. We still have question 11, 12, and 13 in the section B. Okay, please, I believe this class have been beneficial to you. The only way to tell us that is when we see you liking the video, and when we see you sharing to your friends, and when we see you subscribing to the channel. That's the only time we know that, oh, really, we are actually making impact. So please don't deny us that appreciation. Thank you so much for being there.